Coco, do you know what today is? Ipsy Day! Hey everybody, we're back if you're new. Thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Yay is back there. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, we are filming 3 videos today. I haven't been here. Where have I been? For a month and a half, we've been gone. Not filming content or anything. My man's had soccer and t-ball, and then we go to King's Dominion every weekend, and our filming time, we just haven't been filming. I actually did film last month's Ipsy, and then I never edited it, and then I figured no one wants to watch it because no one cares about us. This box is good. So this month, I got this box, and I got the Icon or Luxe or whatever we're calling it. Okay, so I did use this palette today, and y'all, I am not mad at her. She is pretty, y'all. She is pretty. I ain't mad at that. The packaging is a little weird. I was confused by this. I think you can pop it out. I don't know what you're gonna do with it once you pop it out, but you can pop it out. Okay, so these are the shades that you get. Are we in focus? I don't know. I don't know. Let's go ahead and swatch these. I think I only used 3 shades. They feel, I didn't swatch them before. They feel really creamy. Wow. They go on the eyelid really nicely, but they feel really creamy. Even the matte shades feel creamy. I've never had a Rihanna eyeshadow. Is this the only palette she has? Because I would definitely be interested in buying more. What's the price point for this? They feel really good. She wants to swatch it. Are we going to be able to fit them here? I'll try to. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Go. Look how gorgeous. I mean, dude, the camera is not doing this justice. Let me tell you, that is... She's nice. I am not mad at that, y'all. Coco's complaining to me today because she doesn't have any brushes, although she has more brushes than I had when I was like 20. We got these today from, what's this brand called? I don't know. Miss Glam? I have no clue. Trio Cotton Candy Set. Oh, y'all, they have little diamonds on them, little studs. Okay, you see the little stones on there? How pretty. How 2008 is this? Look at this, y'all. Look at this on YouTube. Let's see. They feel nice. They feel. They're not mine. They're not mine. This isn't my Ipsy box. Then we got this from Bella and Argent. I don't know. It's an exfoliating and smoothie lip thing. Soothe lip, smooth lip. I don't know, but it's basically just an exfoliator thing. Let's see. It doesn't feel grainy. It doesn't feel as grainy as I would like it to feel. Then we got this from LYS. Now I watched somebody's video and they called it Liz. I call it LYS. Am I right? Or am I wrong? I don't know. LYS Beauty. We got a blush from them before, a cream blush, and I got it in this berry shade and it was gorgeous. Coco's going to wash her face. But this time, we got an eyeshadow palette. Let's swatch it. I think Coco may have swatched one of them. So here's part of our triangle. Oh, did y'all watch the Queen Charlotte? Cause let me tell you, for like the Bridgerton Queen Charlotte, it was good, girl. It was so good. That's pretty. I like the Rihanna palette better as far as the consistency or the formula, but I'm not mad at this. Y'all, look at these shimmers. I'm not mad at it. Y'all, it was so good, and now Catherine the Great is out, so I need to hurry up and film this so I can go down there and binge watch it. And Catherine the Great is not a show for everybody, okay? It really depends on, you know, the type of shows you like to watch, but it is definitely my type of show. Anyway, then we got this from Toy Co. Coco swatched it, so I can't put this in a giveaway because I'm probably not going to use this. But it is Dream Set, one of the world's first serum. Oh, it's a serum palette. I don't know if I can give this to her. It says your serum and highlighter are now in one. Blinding pigment blends hydronic acid and niacinamide. Okay, so no, she can't have this because I don't think that hydronic acid and niacinamide is good. And because, well, good for them. And because they put makeup wherever they want, we don't want anything getting into their eyes. So I'm never going to use the pink. I might actually use the bronzer in these 2 highlighters here. Let me do it right here so I can look at it without twisting. No, y'all, Catherine the Great depends on your type of comedy, but for me, it's hilarious. I had my mom watch it when we were in DC and she was visiting and she loved it. Okay, not mad at it. I think I would use this. I'll show you on this side. I would use this one and this one. I don't think these two are really something that is like my thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so that's that box. That's it. That's everything we got. And it's only been 9 minutes. That means this is gonna be like a 5-minute video, y'all. Okay. Anyway, I'm rambling, so let's go ahead and end this. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. No, that was from my foundation.
I it. Oh, look so pretty.
It's so pretty, y'all. Cover my face.
I'm tall.
She's tall.
Can I have the purple thing?
Yeah. Yeah, you're doing her makeup back there. I'm scared to turn around and see what it looks like, because ain't no telling.
Mama,
Then,
can we put these both?
let me see, what is it? Those are on your cheekies. Yes. DC visiting, and let's put this at the end of the video for the people who actually stick around and watch.
I'm not even done.
We're gonna film the Boxy Lux video too, so it's okay.
Oh my god!
Oh girl! No, I just want to ask. I just want to ask our friends, did they miss us because we haven't filmed in a month and a half? Well, we filmed, just never edited. I never finished editing it, and then
and we didn't film.
Oh yeah, we do. We film. We're gonna move. We're changing dynamics because I feel like I don't love being in the beauty space. I feel like it's oversaturated and it's really full of liars and money-hungry people who are just trying to promote themselves and get money from brands and ad revenue and sponsorships. Then I go out and I buy these things, and then I am so disappointed because everyone said how great they were, and then I don't love them. And I feel like maybe they're not getting paid off of it, but they're hoping that the brand will see them and say, hey, can we buy this content from you? Or hoping that people will go like click on their Ulta link and buy it, or their Sephora link or whatever, and buy it, and then they get a commission. And I'm kind of over it. So yes, where was I going? King's Dominion. Yes, we did film. So I've started filming content to do more day in the life videos, but on TikTok, and more videos related to why we originally started the channel, and it's called Twins×2 and not like Beauty with Shannon or Shannon Makeup Love, whatever, you know what I'm saying? The point of the channel was to do vlogs and share my life as a mom with 2 sets of twins and my family and my life experiences. And then COVID hit and everything had to change because we just couldn't do anything. So we're switching the realm. Coco went to wash her face. Yaya needs help. Mama will help?
Please can I have help?
Yes, and thank you for, and thank you for using good manners. Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome. They graduated. Close the door all the way, Coco. They graduated from pre-K. Can y'all believe that? Because when we started this channel, they literally were sleeping in the cage, sitting in like high chairs and drinking bottles and wearing diapers. And I think they were just starting to walk, but they were still doing a lot of crawling. That's crazy to think that y'all have been with us that long. Yeah, when you were a baby, you were a little bit. You were like, they were like in baby car seats, like in the infant car seats when we started this. And now you see Coco growing into an entire. I'm gonna get emotional.
No, I'm big now.
Yes, she's big. Sit, be cautious. Now I'm rambling, so let's end this.